Hey guys, this one we got to fix a stick drift on this Xbox One controller. Um, might fix it. That ain't no guarantee, but might. So I don't know how long this is going to take. It could be multiple videos or it could be just one. We'll find out. I'll try to keep an eye on the time, or at least have my nephew watching. If it starts getting too long, we'll call it stop, and then we'll make another one. I don't want to edit it. I try to show everybody how long it actually takes. So anyways, let's get started. Oh, another thing, you should have a special like Allen wrench set. It's supposed to have a hole in there in the bottom of it, which makes it work a lot better. I have them, I just can't find them. I've looked for them, can't find them. My nephew even helped me look. So, but these are working. I did check it. It does work. I don't need to break out the little piece of metal that sticks up in the middle of these little bolts. These little bolts there. There's a little piece of metal in there. And when I first started working on these, I had to break them out. So, but these are work. It does work. It does move them and whatnot. So yeah. Oh, and these are the little pads that go on here, which I think this one goes on this side, and then this one goes on this side. And I just took them off so I can check out the screws and remember where they were, because it's been a few years. So let's get started. Okay, it's going to take a little while with this set. Oh, and if you hear a noise in the background, it's a big air conditioner. I went to the quietest part of the house, which is my bedroom, which I got my desk in there. And I got to put a fair amount of pressure to make it work. But it is working, as you can tell. Got one out on the toolbox in there by the mirror, deep freeze. Get that magnet stuck on the side. I had my nephew go get a magnet so I could stick these on it. Magnet. Now this ain't going to be a how-to video. It's just me trying to fix my nephew's controller. He uses it on his phone. I don't know how it works. He just hooks it to his phone. Ting. Oh, that one's tight. Really wish I would have found my damn other set, the one that's for this stuff. probably end up just buying another set. You could buy them at a hardware store. Got to make sure the ones with the hole in the bottom. Ooh. Slow down there, Ace-Lax. 2 more to go. We'll do the bottom one first. Okay, y'all still in focus. I didn't want to smack it. I dropped it. Don't drop them because you can make them worse. I just try to grip it a little better. But I got a light, lamp right over there. It's the only light in the bedroom. So I might be facing away from you, but it is there. You know, I'll see if I can't move you over here by the light. That way I could actually scoot you right there. Move the lamp closer. Like that. How's that? Let me know which position. Do you want it back over there and the lamp further away, or is this better? Probably better if I just had a regular light in this bedroom. You know, one that's on the ceiling. Oh yeah. It's a T9. With the other tool, it's probably named different, but for this here, it's a T9. Oh, sorry. Okay, now there's the case, and this is the one that drifts, which, if y'all know Xbox, you know, well, where everything should be. And this is the one that does the stick drift. This is the one, right? I don't think it's supposed to. Does this one do it? This one here? I just want to. You don't? Then why is it stick drifting then? Okay. I don't think I got one that small on this. No, I do not. Okay. See if you can find another set of these up there. Oh, I'm gonna pause real quick. Okay, I do not have a smaller set. If I had the actual tool, it does have smaller ones. But this in here is the smallest one I got on here, which is a T9. It's probably a cheap tool. Anywho's, so maybe we can figure out why it's got stick drift. Well, some of y'all watching probably already know on that. But while it's here, can I take these buttons off? Nope. I'd have to. I can't take these off. There's 4 screws I gotta remove. Here, 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 here. Remove these 2 so I don't rip the wires. And not rip those wires, which is a very possibility because they wrap around, come up, go around through, and I guess go to this button. So this wire here goes up. Yeah, it goes to that button. Okay. So we just got to figure out why it's got stick drift and evidently clean these, because someone likes dumping stuff on it.
It wasn't me, it's my uncle.
So we're just going to clean this real quick, and this, and the cover, the thing cover, whatever you want to call them, grip pads. Yeah. Okay, I need the paper towels, and can you go grab the rum and alcohol?
Where?
By my chair. We're going to clean them up real good. If I can get it apart, I could do this to the buttons and figure out why it's got stick drift down in this one. This one is lighter to move, so it may be the spring or something. Anyway, no, it's to that side of my chair,
So just
towards the couch. Anyways, this one is way lighter than that one. Thank you. Anyways, this stick is a lot lighter than this one, which this one here will be, see, he plays Minecraft, so this one will be moving forwards. This is looking up and down and left and right. And then this one here is forwards, backwards, side to side, you know, moving. I'm only saying Minecraft because, well, he plays Minecraft, and I don't know, some of y'all might. I ain't dogging it. I actually play it myself once in a blue moon.
give you an Xbox.
I got it on the PlayStation, and I got it on the Xbox 360. So we can't really do anything with this until I can find my actual tools, and I'll pause for real quick. Starting to get noisy in here, and it's making me mad. Anywho's, so we're gonna put this on pause since I can't really do anything, but I did find out this is lighter. So I don't know, maybe he can figure a way around that. Maybe kind of hold it back a little bit. I don't know. So we're gonna put a hold on this, and we're just gonna clean these real quick.
Time to clean.
Yup. And only use this on stuff that ain't like wires, because you might really mess it up. Or on these boards, because you can take off the stuff that makes it not electricity, and these little black lines in there is what puts the power to places that it needs to be, and other things. You can really mess them up if you're not careful. Now there is certain stuff you can get that you could do that with. I don't know the name of it, never used it, and never plan on using it because I don't plan on messing with them motherboards because you can really screw some stuff up, my bad, pardon my language. Trying to make it kid friendly, which not easy for me. It'll look like a new controller. It may work the same, but it'll at least look the same or better. We're done about a new one. Still got stick drift though.
Look at all this. Just like we did.
Okay. This here with the where it grabs over on this side, I can't really do much about. Which it's pretty clean anyways. The main parts are down here and up here. That's the main parts. I'll show you on this one, I think. I guess I cleaned it off already.
Well, it was all I cleaned it up.
No. There's one of them I grabbed, and when I was using the, oh, you got it. When I was using that, it turned it black.
Yeah. I cleaned it. Yeah.
Anywho's. So when I find my tools again, if he still has this controller,
I should.
when he comes over to spend the night, I'll do another video on the actual controller part. I've seen it. All I'm doing is cleaning, so I guess I can clean these while I'm here. Yeah, I know. It's a lot lighter than the other one. This one here takes a little extra pressure to move than this one. I don't know why. Do you use that one more?
This is better on the controller.
No, I mean, do you use this one more than this one? It's probably just wore out. That's probably all it is.
I have to. I have to look around.
Well, you know where the getting place is. They got controllers. You can always just buy another one.
Hey, that's wrong if I get the spare money again tonight. Come on. Look at this.
It's dirty. Like, really dirty.
Take another photo. Have the.
What the heck was that?
Let's go check outside.
Yes, please. Whatever they're doing, tell them to quit. I think someone's on my house. My nephew's going out there to get them to quit, if they are the one doing it. Alright. Let's see, can you see all the dirt? We'll try to do a before and after type thing. So it'd be this one here. Yeah, a lot cleaner. Need a little more.
They were looking for a cat.
On top of the house?
No, they thought that she went over here. It went over there. I don't know. But I looked over there beside the wall over down here. Yeah, it's literally right there.
We need to stop taking some things out.
They get too used to walking around here. Do they have Xbox One controllers?
Yeah. I can't help you with that part. I can take you over to the getting place, but I can't take you to GameStop. GameStop is the big town that way. Do not say names.
I don't even know the name.
But GameStop is quite a ways from here. It's a good 30 minutes, 45 minutes, something like that from here. Okay. Maybe cleaning it'll help. I'm just saying.
Did you clean these?
Yeah.
Because if you put one
Your dad used to have me work on his Xbox.
everybody does.
Yes, everybody has me do all their stuff, and 9 times out of 10, they don't want to pay me.
I don't have to pay you. I'm having to make a YouTube with you.
I'm charging you $150,000.
With what money I got?
I'm joking. He gives me just as much crap back.
I spent all my money today.
Yes, you almost spent all your money. What, you got like 20 bucks left? 10 bucks? 12 bucks?
12.
12? Darn!
All I bought was 2 things. 2 things.
Yeah, after I'm done here, we'll probably make another trip to town. Even though it is dark. I need another soda. This time I'll probably use the rest of my change, sit there and just get all the sodas.
I might go over to Town Country. Or
For what?
what time is
It's after 9.
it? Town Country's closed.
9 o'clock.
Dollar store.
They close at 9.
No, they close 10. Dollar store's closed.
I don't think so.
Oh, what's that?
This one is a pain in the rear. Oh, there it is. There's some nasty. See? He put a bunch of... Okay. A guy that goes down to his house supposedly dumped some stuff on it. That stuff would definitely cause stuff to get stuck.
Oh,
Yeah, but what time did it say it closed?
it's close as I can.
10. That means like I gotta drive back through town instead of just kind of doing like I normally do, just kind of stay to one side of town. Just go over to the
I was
cell
gonna buy me
phone.
something to eat. Real quick.
Didn't your mom send ramen with you?
Yeah, but it's not enough. I want to cook it.
You don't want to cook it?
No, I'll eat that for lunch.
Try to save you money.
Still got to carry it back to the house. And then I'm gonna save that because if not, we'll have probably another controller. If this one doesn't get fixed.
Yeah, but them over there about 25 bucks. I know my my PS or PlayStation 4 one costs like 25 bucks.
That's PlayStation. Xbox.
They're
is-
about the same over there.
Their ticket is $300. Sucks that it's not a Happy Pappy. That place. Happy.
Okay.
accident.
It's not all the way clean, but
Get part 2.
yeah. Okay, part 2 is going to be putting this thing back together. Or about 25 minutes.
25 minutes, 20 minutes.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll go ahead and make part 2, putting this thing back together. So, like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, stay weird.
Yeah.